Hey everyone, welcome to another Keymate AI use case video. Today we're going to be using the GPT as a reputation search assistant. So basically, if you are working with or for a company or considering to do so, you could provide Keymate with prompts like the ones you'll see shortly and receive a detailed explanation on their reputation and what they've accomplished in their space. We're going to be using Keymate as the example for this, but let's go ahead and get started. So the prompt goes like this: please gather a list of articles and resources about Keymate AI to better understand their reputation in the AI space and what they have accomplished. Summarize the content and find at least 5 sources. So as Keymate works on that, I'll go ahead and mention that this prompt and the others you'll see will all be in the description below so that you guys can easily access them and use them if you desire. I specified 5 sources, but you can always choose more or less depending on the use case. And of course, Keymate is using Google to find these sources. All right, great. So now Keymate is beginning to give a response to our prompt. Let's see, it's got 1 source, 2, okay, awesome. So it's finding the appropriate number of sources, just like we wanted. It's giving a small summary of the source, as well as providing a link that you can click to access and do your due diligence for each source. Awesome, that's great. So now that we have the output from these 5 sources, we'll go ahead and we'll put in the next prompt, which states, based on the content found, explain the reputation of Keymate AI. Please note any specifically negative or troubling articles/content that was found. And basically, in the case of if we had asked Keymate to initially find 15 or 25 or even 50 sources, to build this report on, it would go ahead and it would sift through those and it would pull out any of the negative or troubling articles, and it would help the user find and identify potential issues or concerns with the company. Now that we have this report in front of us, let's go ahead and let's save it to our Keymate memory so that we can access this in the future. So the command here is really simple. We're just going to say, save this response to my Keymate memory with the label Keymate.AI Reputation Report. And then it's going to go ahead and it's going to process that, and it will ask us for confirmation before saving to our Keymate memory. This always happens just to make sure you actually want to save something before it goes ahead and does that. It doesn't like misinterpret what you want. So it'll work on that. And the great part about saving this is that once it's saved, we can access this. We can have Keymate recall this and add it to its context window at any time in the future. So right there, it asks just to confirm once again that it wants to save this. I said yes, and now it's going ahead and actually saving that. All right, so now that that's finished saving, it's actually going to give you a link to click, and by clicking that link, you'll see this page. And from here, you can search all of your memory. So remember, we saved it as Keymate.AI Reputation Report. So I'm going to go ahead and search reputation. And there it is right there. It's the second thing. It says from your chats. That's where it was saved from. And it even shows the label at the top that I gave it. And from here, you can use it, recall it. You can edit it as well. All right, everybody, that's it for this Keymate AI use case video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.